नमस्ते नागपुर, कैसे हैं आप? मैं अशोक देशपांडे, अवेजा का नागपुर प्रभारी, आप सभी का इस कार्यक्रम में स्वागत करता हूं। और आज ज्येष्ठ नागरिक दिन है, इसलिए आपको उसकी शुभेच्छा देता हूं। आज हम आपको अवेजा नामक जहाज में सैर करने ले जा रहे हैं। इस सैर का अवधि 1 घंटे का है। आप इस सैर का मजा लीजिए और आनंद लीजिए। मैं हमारे अनुरोधक को विनती करता हूं कि इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाएं।
Sure. So thank you, Ashok sir. So Namaste Nagpur and all the other friends who have gathered for this noble event today. I wholeheartedly welcome one and all. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Dev to speak about the origin of Avyaja. Dr. Dev, over to you.
So thanks, Ashok sir, for your kind introduction, and Sitansu for being a great host to begin it. First of all, namaste to all citizens and senior citizens of Nagpur. So we are here to launch our organization named Abhyaja Foundation, which was established in the year 2020 in Hyderabad. And let me share with you, so Abhyaja is, in Sanskrit, it means trust, truth, and transparent. And we believe strongly in this, and we abide by it. And Abhyaja is a winning ship, as we have mentioned as a theme for today and going forward. This winning ship is to ride you from human to human in the journey called life. So our Abhyaja family crew is working hard to ensure that you have a comfortable, dignified, and a happy journey through the sea of life. So I will be introducing as we go, but however, before this, I would like to start with a personal story, what motivated me to initiate these services called Avyaja. Okay, way back in 2020, this was a personal incident that happened with me for my father's elder brother, okay, my Bade Papa, and also he was not well, and I was in US during that time on a business trip, and it so happened that he went through a serious viral diarrhea, and then he passed away. And that was the moment which we realized that despite having people, it's the village that helped him in the last moments and all, and he deserved. So this is where we figured out there is a need for us to develop some kind of a model or a system that will help us to make not only a living dignified, also a death dignified. So this is where we were talking, we discussed, and I was associated with Harvard's Public Health, which is running and study for last 10 years, longitudinal aging survey of India and study of India in India, which is a cohort study they are doing. And as a part of this, we figured out that there is a need in the society to drive a connectedness. Today it is missing. We are so much into this society's, in the material gain and growth. End of the day, today it has become in every part of the world, including US, Europe, and all that, the mental health is raising its own concerns for the younger generation and across all strata of life. So this is where we said that this is very crucial time for us, this next 10 years, where our next outgoing citizens or the generation is outgoing, there is a wisdom that is going through them, and if that wisdom is not translated or transmitted from them to the upcoming generation, then there will be a void and gap, and this will create not only this will create not only a challenge for the society, at the same time it will create host a lot of problems. That is where history has proved that we have lost 2,400 civilizations through such mental health issues itself. So coming to our thing, so this is where we said that when we did our research, we figured out that after a lot of research, it's been a 10-year-old research we have been doing, and this idea has been conceived from last 2 years. We figured out that compassion and gratitude is what connects the society. And this is that various countries have done the studies from Switzerland to China, especially China has done a 3-year-old cohort study, and we figured out that compassion and gratitude has a negative impact on the cost of healthcare. And not only it elevates the life expectancy, but also it has created a better living kind of thing. Okay, this is where we figured out that, okay, this is a need of the society. So can we start working towards developing a connected society through the compassion and gratitude? So looking at this, we figured out that what can be the compassion and gratitude based services we can do. And that's where the idea popped up that, okay, Avyaja can be the bridge to help solve the mobility issues by providing mobility assist services. Okay, that's where we are, focusing and directing all our thoughts, energy towards building a service which is not only user friendly, but also allows the seniors to use it at ease kind of thing. So once again, thanks and welcome. So we are launching as a first phase as a point-to-point free mobility services for the elders, which will be spoken by Mohan sir and Dr. Biranchi as we go along. And this is a team I will be introducing quickly one by one, which is poised to make it happen. And all are committed in one thing, is to give back to the society for our parents. Anyone who has a father or a mother, it can be a contributor for Avyaja, and we welcome those things. So coming to our thing, today is an International Day for Older Persons. I would like to heartily welcome all elder persons. This has been designated by the United Nations as D-Day, 1st October. So we thought this is a great day to start our journey. And Nagpur is a place which Ashok sir will be mentioning during his speech, why Nagpur, and we are going to launch and all. So what we are thinking is like, let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Dr. Dev Bharadwaj here. So I am one of the Vanguard's navigators. So Vanguard means the person who develops those new development and ideas, and I'm just a navigator. I believe the team is totally propelled and geared up. They are having every moment those new thoughts, new ideas, how to make things better for our elders. And this is where we are seeing that a lot of energy, and what you are going to see now or getting launched or coming up in the future is something which will be the outcome from our team. So coming, what is our vision? Our vision is to create a dignified and human society through compassion and gratitude. Our mission, to help 1 million lives through compassion helping hand by year 2030. So this is aligning to our 2050 mission of United Nations. So if you're able to enrich life of 1 million people, through 2030, that is good enough for us. So let me quickly take a look to introduce our chief leaders of the team and stalwarts who are already there to drive this. So once I share a brief intro about them, I request that to wave your hand so that the audience knows who you are. So let me start with Dr. Biranchi Jena. He is a very, as a part of our Avyaja ship, he is a chief officer following, who is helping to drive. He's a chief executive officer for Avyaja, who is based out of Pune. He is having more than 20 years of experience. He is a health economist by profession, and he has been a serial entrepreneur, and he is a person of repute, having a lot of journals and papers in his on his shoulders. Plus, he is a consultant for Tata Trust and many other repute like Reliance Foundation and Amri Hospital. And Symbiosis is a visiting faculty to Symbiosis and other important institutions. So welcome, Dr. Biranchi, and we look forward for your leadership to drive this ship and navigate through the ocean of life. So Mr. Ashok needs no introduction. He's more closer and known to you all. So Ashok sir has been in Mercantile Navy, and he is a retired experienced professional who is our face, and not only a face but also a voice, a face to the name of Avyaja for Nagpur, and he is leading from the front. And Mr. Sudhir, unfortunately, is not well. All our prayers are there for him for quick recovery. Our honest gratitude for Sudhir sir, because he is the man behind to support for Nagpur and drive. And last but not the least, the man behind the screen, I should always acknowledge and thank is Mr. Anup, who is online. He is the man behind who has brought Nagpur to live, or Avyaja to live for Nagpur. So Anup sir, please wave your hand so that people know who you are. Thank you. Now with this, I'll quickly take you through what are Abhyaja's story till now and what we are going to go do going forward.
अव्यजा फाउंडेशन में आपका स्वागत है। अव्यजा करुणा और कृतज्ञता आधारित समाज के निर्माण के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। अव्यजा का अर्थ है सत्य, पारदर्शी और विश्वास। अव्यजा का विशेष कार्य है वर्ष 2030 तक करुणा के माध्यम से 10 लाख लोगों के जीवन को समृद्ध करना। हम लाभ संगठन के लिए नहीं है। अव्यजा मंच वंचित वर्ग के लिए गतिशीलता और संज्ञानात्मक स्थान में सहायता प्रदान करके हमारे समाज के वरिष्ठ नागरिक के लिए और अति वरिष्ठ नागरिकों अपने बुढ़ापे और नाजुक शारीरिक और संज्ञानात्मक स्थितियों के कारण कई चुनौतियों का सामना कर रहे हैं। यदि आप 18 वर्ष से अधिक उम्र के सक्रिय व्यक्ति हैं, तो कृपया समाज की सहायता करने में भाग लीजिए। www.avyaja.org पर आज ही विजिट करें। अव्यजा, मानव से मानवीय।
So there is a slight lag, looks like, on our display, but don't worry, this is there on the YouTube. The links are shared on the invite and it will be shared again. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And not necessarily for people on Nagpur, but we are open to Pan India. We'll be launching in different cities as we go. And our idea is to go in a very cautious and stepwise manner so that we are ensuring that our elders are taken care appropriately. So with this, I would like to thank you all for your kind association and support, and look forward. So look for Abhyaja.org on any of these LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So thank you, and over to Sithanshu.
Okay, so thanks Dr. Dev for the great insight. So there is a request to audience to call 900-900-3963 for registering and to know more about Abhyaja services. So Abhyaja is present on all of the social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Koo. Look for Abhyaja.org. Let me repeat, Abhyaja.org without any space. So now I would like to invite Dr. Biranchi, CEO of Abhyaja, to share his thoughts on the Abhyaja, its core values, missions, problems trying to solve, plans such as types of services, its rollout plan, how one can connect with Abhyaja, how to book the services, where and whom to complain and give feedback. So over to Dr. Biranchi.
Thank you, Sithanshu. Namaste, Nagpur. On behalf of Abhyaja Foundation, I welcome to all of you to this inauguration session of Abhyaja Foundation. And today, on the occasion of World Elderly Day, it feels very good to launch something, to provide something to our senior citizens where the requirement has been enormous and people who need to provide them, they are not with them. So on this occasion, I, on behalf of Abhyaja Foundation, brings you something that people of Nagpur will be really looking forward, and I'm sure those services will provide them a new lease of life, and with whom they will be enjoying their life in a more meaningful way. If we look to the city of Nagpur, we'll get somewhere around 2.5 lakhs of senior citizens living there in the city of Nagpur. And when we just look to all the elderly people who need some kind of mobility assistance services, meaning there are some global benchmark, what we call activities for daily living. We do a lot of activities, doesn't matter how old we are, but the moment we grow old, there are little bit challenge for all of us to get those activities done with ease. So if we look to that parameter, we find in Nagpur there are around more than 30,000 senior citizens who need some kind of mobility services, either to go to hospital, to go to see their doctor, go to their financial transactions, either to bank or to some kind of financial transactions and other things in post office and to various offices for their requirement. So when we feel and when we understand these needs, we find many people who be requiring, but they don't get any support to go to various places and get their things done. So considering these kind of things, Abhyuja Foundation thought to start providing such basic and essential mobility assistance services to our senior citizens in the city of Nagpur. And on this occasion, we thought we'll be sharing our plans to the senior citizens and other people who will be working with this great initiative. Let me take you through how this whole model will work. We work in an ecosystem in our society, in our community. So the people with whom you will be provided support with, they are from your own locality and you are very much comfortable with them. So for that purpose, we have defined a model through human to human understanding. One we call Assist Pro, that Abhyuja Foundation is using this term called Assist Pro, meaning those people who will be actively providing this support in terms of helping them to assist them to take from one place to another place, what we call a mobility assistance service. We call them Assist Pro. And another group of people who need these services, we call them Assist Seeker, meaning those our senior citizen friends, when they need service, we call them as assist seeker. So when assist seeker will be requiring a support, then they can either book these services through our mobile app, which will come to you very quickly and will keep you updated when the services is coming. But in the meantime, if you have any queries regarding the services of Abhyuja Foundation, you can please take a note on this number, which is 900-900-3963. Any point of time from morning 8 o'clock to evening 8 o'clock, you can call on this number if you have any specific query that will provide some services which we call mobility assisted services. Now, since we are launching these services today in Nagpur, from today we are taking the registration of those people who will be supporting us in providing this mobility assisted services to our senior citizens. We call them Assist Pro. So the Assist Pro are all those people who are 18 years and above and have a thrive with them to support our senior citizens to live a blissful life and graceful life. So I also invite and request all of our friends who are 18 years and above come forward and register themselves as Assist Pro. Now question comes, when we register this Assist Pro to provide services to our senior citizens, what they get in return? That's where Abhyuja Foundation brings innovation. And we know sooner or later, when we also grow old, we also need some kind of support. So Abhyuja Foundation brings that guarantee that when we as people now who has got the ability to help our senior citizens, but sooner or later we will be in that position very soon. And then what for me? So Abhyuja Foundation is providing that support and that answer right away. If I provide 1 hour of service to support to my senior citizen friends, then this 1 hour is guaranteed and stored for me. I can guarantee and I can demand that from Abhyuja Foundation the moment I cross 60 years of age. So that Abhyuja Foundation is bringing to the table. And I also request to all of my senior citizen friends, they can also reach out to their near and dear ones who are ready to join this initiative as Assist Pro, and they will be volunteering themselves, defining how much it could start with 10 minutes per day or maybe couple of hours a week to maybe complete month. So this there is no limit for that. and all of our Assist Pro, they are requested, they are encouraged to come forward, join this initiative, and be a part of creating a blissful and fantastic society where we can create trust, where we can create integrity, where we can create respect for each other. And that's what Abhyaja Foundation is aspiring to build in next 5 years of time. So with this, I request to all of my senior citizens, get connected through www.abhyaja.org. And at the same time, I request all of my friends who are 18 years and above, please join themselves as Assist Pro to take the oath if we can together make a good society. And they can also register themselves as Assist Pro by logging to www.abhyaja.org. So with this, I welcome to you all to the family of Abhyaja Foundation. And I believe personally, and as a part of Abhyaja Foundation, we can create this respected society for all of us together. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Dr. Birenji, for the great information about the key services. So now there is a message for the audience. Please call 900-900-3963 for registering and to know about Abhyaja services. Abhyaja is present on all of the social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Co. So look for the word Abhyaja.org. And without any space, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe at Abhyaja.org on all social media channels. So now I would like to invite Mr. Mohan to speak a few words about Abhyaja's website.
Good evening, Nagpur. I'm very happy to unveil the Abhyaja website on behalf of the Abhyaja team. The website can be accessed by typing in www.abhyaja.org from any web computer or from any mobile phones. So this is our website, what you're seeing on the screen right now, abhyaja.org. As Dr. Dave and Dr. Birenji mentioned, we do have a dedicated number, 900-900-3963. There are Abhyaja team members available between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. to assist you in answering your questions if you have any issues in registering or seeking any service. To register with Abhyaja, you can click on the Join Abhyaja button, which will get you this form where you can select the role you want to play with Abhyaja, like Assist Seeker. Basically, this is for the senior citizen who want to avail the service from Abhyaja by booking service for attending hospital or visiting hospital or a clinic or a post office or a government office or a bank. So all you need to do is just enter your phone name, phone number, your email ID if you have it, and your address. You need to provide one ID proof as prescribed by the government of India. So again, we want to highlight like the information you provide here is safe and secure with Abhyaja. Abhyaja's top priority is to make the members' information in a secure environment. So we make sure that your data is not crossing Abhyaja's boundary at any point of time. And if you want to provide, register yourself as a pro, you need to fill up further details in addition to what needed above, like name, phone number, address, email ID, and ID proof. You need to provide 2 referrals who are already registered as a pro in Abhyaja Foundation. So currently, Mr. Ashok Deshpande and Mr. Sudhir Karande are the 2 pros who are already part of our team. So if you are from Nagpur and you want to register yourself as an Abhyaja pro, you need to mention those 2 persons' name as a referral. Once you enter all this information, you can click register. This will be followed by an email and a SMS confirmation to you. And also, since you're joining as a new member to Abhyaja Foundation, you'll be receiving 20 credits, which you can use towards availing any service in the future. Again, this is on the website currently. We do plan to release a mobile app as part of Abhyaja release plan And this mobile app is going to be available during the Diwali time frame. So this is the exclusive screenshots of the mobile app, which we are in development right now. We want to avail this information to the Nagpur audience as a first look.
Yeah, thanks, Mr. Mohan, for the great information about the website and the look of app. And now I would like to invite Mr. Ashok Deshpande to speak a few words about Avyaja.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं अशोक देशपांडे फिर आपकी सेवा में उपस्थित हुआ हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं आपके मन में कुछ सवाल उठे होंगे, उसके जवाब देना चाहूँगा। उसके बाद मैं अवेजा के बारे में बात करूँगा। आप ये सोचते होंगे कि मैं एक मराठी होने के बावजूद और नागपुर एक महाराष्ट्र की स्थिति होने के बावजूद हिंदी में क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ। आप सब नागपुर वासी तो सभी जानते हैं कि नागपुर की व्यवहारिक भाषा हिंदी है और हमारे बीच काफ़ी नॉन मराठी लोग हैं, इसलिए मैंने, और हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा भी हिंदी है, इसलिए मैंने हिंदी का चयन अपने माध्यम के लिए रखा है। दूसरा सवाल आपके मन में उठता होगा कि इस सॉफ्ट लॉन्च का जो प्रोग्राम है, पहला हमने नागपुर क्यों चुना। नागपुर ये भारत का दिल है और कोई भी बात एक बार दिल ने मान ली है तो उसको आगे बढ़ाने में कोई कठिनाई नहीं होती। नागपुर एक मोस्ट फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी है, इसलिए हमने नागपुर का चयन इसके लिए किया है। अब तक आपको अभिजा के बारे में काफ़ी जानकारी प्राप्त हुई होगी और आगे भी हम आपको देते रहेंगे। मानव से मानवीयता, यह हमारा मूल मंत्र है। वरिष्ठ नागरिकों के लिए ही हमारी यह सेवा है। देखने में आया है कि वरिष्ठ नागरिकों को घर के बाहर के कामों के लिए एक विश्वासु सहायक की आवश्यकता होती है और इस सहायक को मुहैया करना यही हमारा मुख्य उद्देश्य है। जैसे पोस्ट ऑफिस, बैंक, हॉस्पिटल, सरकारी कार्यालय, इन जगहों में एक सहायक की आवश्यकता होती है। ये सेवा देने अवेजा फाउंडेशन का लक्ष्य है। हमारी यह सेवा हम निःशुल्क बोलते हुए भी हम इसके बदले में कुछ पाना जरूर चाहते हैं। हम इस सेवा को ज्येष्ठ नागरिकों को देके उनके आशीर्वाद पाना चाहते हैं। इस सेवा में के बदले हम उस आशीर्वाद का पुण्य लेना चाहते हैं। तो आइए हमसे जुड़िए। हमसे जुड़ने के लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन करना आवश्यक है। रजिस्टर की पद्धति आपको इसके पहले समझाई जा चुकी है। आपकी नज़र में कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो इस सेवा में वॉलंटियर करके काम करना चाहेंगे, उसको भी आप प्रोत्साहित कीजिए। संपर्क के लिए हमारा हेल्पलाइन नंबर है 900-900-3963। मैं इसको अंग्रेजी में फिर से रिपीट करूंगा, 900-900-3963। हमारा यह मोबाइल ऐप दिवाली में नागपुर के लिए उपलब्ध किया जा रहा है। इसकी जानकारी हम उचित वक्त पर आपको देंगे। नागपुर वासी इस सहकार्य में हमें पूरा सहयोग देंगे, इसके हमें पूरा विश्वास है। आखिर में मैं ये कहूँगा कि अर्न रिवार्ड्स फॉर योर टाइम, मोर टाइम यू गिव, मोर रिवार्ड्स यू अर्न। धन्यवाद।
So thanks Ashok Deshpande sir for the great speech about Avyaja. So again there is a request to all the audience, like call 900-900-3963 for registration and to know more about Avyaja services. For Avyaja is present in all of the social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter and co. Look for the word Avyaja.org without any space, Avyaja.org. So dear family, we have weekly meeting to interact with our dear Nagpur family to know the issues and to introduce new features of Avyaja. So dear, also how many members are interested to become a Assist Pro and Assist Seeker? Please raise your hand.
So Sithanshu will go for a picture first, and then that we have last 15 minutes for question and answers.
Clarify all your queries. Do connect with us on WhatsApp to share your aspirations. So don't forget to share, like and subscribe at Avyaja.org. Let me repeat, Avyaja.org without any space on all social media channels. So now the question and answer session. So if anybody has any questions, they can discuss here. Otherwise, they can connect offline also.
I think it's from CRG, if I'm not wrong. They've raised the hand.
Why a choice of mobility particularly? Why is that area defined to be a mobility support? And why not any other service, or why not more services? What was the genesis of that thought?
Okay, so initially there are a lot of other services which we have thought. Okay, as a part of this Avyaja free service, we felt that which is the service that will not allow, you know, a direct contact which will disclose the address of elder, which is prime to us, because there are so many stories of you know, the vandalism in the house due to some volunteer or whoever has come through a Flipkart or Amazon and all. That is one. Second thing was more of a data privacy, so that we want to ensure that no elder is being harmed through ours. As a part of it, we found that the easiest and the best way is to maintain the elders' privacy, so that they can go to the point of care, and we can provide a point-to-point services. So where the volunteer comes and delivers the service, because one of the prime challenge we found that when in our experience, and the research says that the elders have a low cognitive capacity after 70 years. Okay, they need to be told 2 or 3 times. When we were a child, we were told 2 or 3 times, and as a part of this low cognitive capability, whether it is office or anything, there is a mediation required. Not only mediation, but also due to their what do you call their mobility challenges. Somebody needs to run in a hospital. You have to go to a lab reports, or to a pharmacy, or to OPD, or run around those 4-5. Elder cannot do. And every hospital doesn't provide you a volunteer with a wheelchair. They provide a wheelchair only on one corner. So these are the certain things that was there in our mind, that we said that these are the 5 services. One of the key things which we are focusing is like bringing our post office, where most of elders have their own, whether it is a Kishan Vikas Patra or anything, or if the cooperative banks, they need help, you know, in helping. So we need some genuine people. So we want to go in a stepwise. And one key thing we found, that while we are establishing our processes, we want to make sure that all our volunteers are criminal checked and verified, so that we don't want to take any threat for our elders to trust us. Okay, so coming to our key point is like, we are starting with these 5 services, whether it is an office visit, or post office, or hospital, or clinic, okay, or the bank visit. Did I answer your question?
Yes, certainly. Thank you. And your team is very comprehensive. I'm certain that you will certainly achieve your intended goal.
Yeah, go ahead.
Certainly. All the best. I'm certain there are other questions as well, but there are some people in the lobby. If you could let them in.
Oh yeah. In the mobile phone it shows, but on the laptop we are all in. And our special guest, Sudhir sir, if he is able to hear us, he has joined, though late. He has tried, you know, he would have tried a couple 50 to 60 times at least. We want to hear from him also. We have heard from Ashok sir.
So I think there is a question from Subhash ji.
नमस्ते, मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आपकी संस्था का काम तो बहुत बढ़िया, जो आपने जो बताया है बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन मैं जिस परिस्थिति से गुजर रहा हूँ, मैं मेरे दो तीन लोग जो है के लिए काफी यही काम कर रहा हूँ मैं, जो आप करना चाहते हैं। मैं पर्सनली कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन सबसे पहले मुझे ये पता चला कि क्या आपकी आगे चल के कोई ऐसी व्यवस्था है कि जिसमें आप उनको केयर टेकर्स दे सकते हैं 24 आवर्स।
हाँ सर, हमारा यही है। हम लोग छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लेना चाहते हैं, ज्यादा होशियारी से लेना चाहते हैं। ये एक एग्रीगेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म है हम जो बना रहे हैं। हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं फ्री मोबिलिटी सर्विसेज में, जिसमें हर एक वॉलंटियर जो अपने, जैसे हमारे बचपन में आपने देखा होगा सुभाष सर कि गांव में हमारे सब लोग जान पहचान थे। इसमें क्या होता है कि हमें पता था कि अगर कोई बंदा काम कर सकता है कि नहीं और वो कितना कर सकता है, वो इन्वायरमेंट हम क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं एज ए पार्ट ऑफ द कनेक्टेड सोसाइटी। ताकि आज के डेट में क्या होता है, कहीं से लोग आते हैं कंपनी के नाम से, और ये होता है कि लोग सर्विस के जगह उनको चीट कर लेते हैं। हम लोग यस, हमारा प्रीमियम सर्विसेज हमारे प्लान में है, बट पहले हम लोग एक अच्छे जो हॉस्पिटल्स केयर प्रोवाइडर्स हैं उनको वैलिडेट करके प्लेटफॉर्म में ऑनबोर्ड करने के बाद हम लोग वो भी सर्विस देंगे। बट पहले हमारा फोकस है कि हम पहले फ्री सर्विसेज को एस्टेब्लिश करें, और जो भी उत्तीर्ण होते हैं इसमें जो वॉलंटियर्स, उनको मौका मिलेगा प्रीमियम सर्विसेज में, क्योंकि उनको घर जाना होगा। क्योंकि आज हम बहुत सारी कहानियां सुन रहे हैं कि कोई गए और ओटीपी ले ली और ओटीपी से बैंक के खाते से पैसा ले लिए, और वो हम लोग बहुत ही कॉन्शियस हैं, हम लोग उसका कोई भी
नहीं
चांस
ठीक है।
नहीं लेगा।
आपका भाई ये अच्छा है, क्योंकि मैंने ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर किया हो फॉर द असिस्ट प्रो, although I am 67 years old and I am brother of Sudhir Karande.
I know, sir. Thank you. And for us, sir, for Abhyaja, we believe that age is just a number. Okay. We want, as long as you feel capable, you are a pro for us.
Yes, I am there.
Okay,
I
sir.
already registered.
Thank you, sir. Welcome to Abhyaja family, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. So over to Sita. Any other question? Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So we are on time, kind of things, like 5 minutes ahead. So as a thank you note, I want to thank you to all of the lovely audience and the core team members who are behind the scenes, who helped, who are making this mission successful. So I want to thank all of you. So please don't forget to like our social media channel, and any queries, please do call 900-900-3963. So that's all from our side.
And this dream wouldn't have been realized without this wonderful team, as I shared earlier, and without all your support. So let's work together to make it a beautiful, connected society. And I give the baton to our Ashok sir to speak a few words before we close the call.
आप सभी श्रोताओं ने अपना समय, कीमती समय हमारे इस कार्यक्रम के लिए दिया। इसके लिए मैं अभयजा टीम की तरफ से आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। आने वाले समय में आपका सहयोग हमारे साथ बना रहेगा, इसका हमें पूरा विश्वास है। इसी के साथ मैं आज के कार्यक्रम की समाप्ति की घोषणा करता हूं। मानव से मानवीयता हमारा घोष वाक्य है। धन्यवाद।
Namaste to all and thanks.